Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to explain about reduce higher order function, how a reduce higher order function works, and where you can use like reduce higher order function. So if you have to like uh, find out the sum of arrays, so you can see in array element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I find out the sum of this array, so the sum will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That will be like 21. So how I can find out using reduce higher order function? So let's see. So I have taken one variable, let x is equal to arr dot reduce. I will give one function. Inside the function, you have to give two value. I am giving like first value a and second value b. And then you have to like return a plus b. So what this will do that it will give you like if I do console dot log x, so it will give you the value which is 21, and that is sum of this array. So previously how we are like finding arrays sum, we are using one for loop, then we take one bag is equal to 0, then we are adding all the value in bag, and then we are returning back. But using reduce function, that is very less code, and you can use this reduce function if you have to like find out the sum. So how this works? So like as you can see, like on which array you have to find out the sum. First I have written arr dot reduce, and then inside this reduce I have given one function, and inside this function I have given parameter. First is a and second is b, and then I'm returning a plus b. So it will give you all the value which is, or you can give like in this array we are like first taking 0 1, then it is adding all the value in 0, or you can like give first value as 10 also. So if I give the first value as 10, then it will add in 10. So if I find like return run this, then it will give you 31, because I have taken initial value as 10. If I take initial value as 20, then it will give you like 41. So you can take initial value whatever you want, and you have to give the like initial value there. After this function you have to give one comma and then the value, that will be initial value. So like how we are like where we can use all the higher order function. In previous video I have like talk about it for each map return. Today I have talk about reduce. So if we have to like previously we have to find out like all the array element. So we are what we were doing, like if we have to find out all the, then we were doing let I is equal to 0 less than arr dot I plus plus, and then we are doing console dot log, and then I sorry arr of I. So what this will give you, all the value 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this value I can get like using for each higher order function. We have to do only arr dot for each, and inside this function you can get like take one element, one value, then it will give you the all the value. And if you have to find out all these in one array, then you can use map. And if we like have to find out the even or odd element, like if we have to filter on the particular condition, then we can use filter. But if we have to find out using array, then we have to do like if array of I mod 2 equal to 0, then I have to find console.log error of I. So you can use like filter. And if you have to find out the sum, so how I can find out the sum of in this array. So we have to do like sum is equal to 0 and sum plus is equal to error of I, and then I have to like do console dot log and sum. So it will give you the sum of this array. But this sum I can find out using reduce function. So that is very less code. So using reduce function, reduce like using any higher order function, you can reduce your code. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next video.